c'est les miens, un rire qui se perd sur sa bouche, voilà le portrait sans retour.
Hello everyone. I was given this bird cage by my niece. She's getting ready to move, and it is approximately 24 inches tall. And it's plastic, but it's really cute. I've already started to experiment with what I can put on it. I want it to be extremely Victorian and extremely attractive. I don't want it to be gaudy, but I can offer no guarantees. So, here we go. We shall start this project. Okay, everyone, so here's the finished product. I know it doesn't have as much as some things, but I don't know. Sometimes less is more. This seemed a little bit more elegant. Just a few daisies scattered around to add some floral accents with some vines on the inside on the perch. And my little dancer is a music box. And a few years ago when I was making a move, she got broken right at her thigh. And I wanted to fix her, and I didn't know exactly how to fix her because I'm not really skilled at that. Anyway, I got some glue, and I glued her back together. But unfortunately, it didn't look very good, so I took some ribbon and tied it around there, around the crack, with some, well, I glued it with some hot glue gun, and left some dangly parts of the ribbon so that it looked like something wrapped around her thigh. And now it works. She doesn't look too badly anyway. But I had a lot of fun doing this. And I was inspired by a little Shabby Chic. And I wanted to do something with all those the beaded curtain that I could not use in my new place, because the ceilings were too high. So I used the beaded curtain to make a beaded curtain for her, my little ballerina music box. So thank you all for your inspiration. I hope you enjoyed seeing this, and I'll talk to you later. I thought I'd give you a little idea of what it looks like all together. I really like it. I know I could have added a lot more, but I like this. You'll notice the lace at the top is just hot glued with beads. 2 buttons are there on either side. Larger crystal globes there. And that's pretty much it.